We're at McDonald's right now, trying to test out an offer. So basically, there's an offer if you go to McDonald's UAE between 6 to 7 p.m. At 6th or 7th November, you get free chicken nuggets. I'm in the drive-thru right now. We are gonna go inside and place an order. Right now, it's 7 November at 6:27 p.m. So I think the offer works at this time and date. So this is the code we're gonna show at the counter for them to check the offer. And it says free 6-7 chicken nuggets. And if it works, it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
If this works, it's gonna be crazy, bro.
Did you get it?
I got it.
Thank you.
What sauce you like?
Yeah. So what's your sauce?
Barbecue?
Barbecue
Yeah,
sauce.
barbecue.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Last window.
Last window.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
It actually works. Guys, look at the nuggets. Let's count the nuggets to see if there's an extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. The 7 nugget is in the shape of 6, 7.